Sometimes self-care can feel like an additional thing on your to-do list, even a part-time job. Self-care is so key for mental health and wellness that it's something we all have to make a priority. So in order to practice effective self-care for me, I have to schedule it like I would a meeting, a doctor's appointment, something that I would make a priority, and I don't cancel it. So for example, if I know I want to go to yoga therapy every Wednesday night at 7, I block that out in my schedule, and there is nothing that I'm going to replace with that time slot that I have allocated for self-care. It's really important that you also learn to realize that you deserve self-care. Self-care is not something that should be considered a luxury. It's actually something that should be considered a necessity. We all need time to decompress, relax, and self-care is a great way to take some time for yourself to say, I matter, I need a break, and I'm going to do this for me and put myself first.